We saw several fish in the pond. The babies are sleeping. The geese are flying south for winter. She saw several mice in the attic. There are two dogs in the park. She bought 3 apples. There are many boxes in the room. She visited several cities. The toys are on the floor. There are many days in a year. The boys are playing outside. There are 3 men in the room. The people are waiting outside. The women are at the conference. He lost 2 teeth in the accident. The cacti are blooming. There are many cats in the neighborhood. The children are playing in the garden. We saw several buses at the station. The leaves are falling from the tree. The feet prints are on the sand. There are several sheep in the field. The cars are parked outside. Both series were very interesting. There are many aircraft at the airport. The moose are crossing the road. There are many bison in the park. The theses are due next week. The crises were difficult to manage. The deer are grazing in the meadow. There are several shrimp in the tank. The salmon are swimming upstream. The headquarters of both companies are in New York. The means to solve the problem is unclear. The offspring are healthy. The trout are biting today. The species are varied in this region. The swine were kept in the pen. Several cod were caught today. The carp are in the pond.